did you go away? Why did you go? I gave you all my trust. I gave you everything, and I could only have from a woman. Yeah, a woman. Oh.
24 minutes past 7, 6 o'clock rock and music there from the band called Denym. That's Denym. And good evening to you. We've got, it's very much a family affair, this band, isn't it? Actually, Humi, you're a cousin, aren't you? But the rest...
I know, yes. And all the rest are related. Brothers and one sister.
3 brothers, one sister. I mean, does that help you when you're working things out? I mean, you all know each other so well.
Yeah, well, if it's a family affair, the family, the brothers and sisters, kind of get on okay together. But when it comes to the cousin, she
feels a bit left out, you know.
She feels a bit left out. But she do get her say, mind you. Yeah, I could say that.
You've been together, what, some 3 years now?
Yeah.
As a band, that is. As a family, probably slightly longer.
Yeah, as a band.
I'm the newest member, though. They've been together before I was.
Yeah. But when did you join, Humi?
About 2.5 years, I think, now.
Mm-hmm.
They roped me into that.
Fine, and do you handle all the vocals on that?
No, there's a share between me and Lane. Lane plays the organ.
Yeah.
And vocals, and I do the vocals.
Drums, bass, guitar, vocals, keyboards. Standard sort of setup of the band. You've done a lot of gigs around colleges and clubs, what have you, but we haven't actually seen you in Bristol playing at all, have we?
That's right.
No. I think they'll all change after this interview, I think. Yeah.
One can only hope so.
Offers will come flooding in.
You in fact came over this way, though, to record for Crescent Studios.
Yeah, that's right.
And in fact,
Yeah,
I must point out what we're playing, in fact, the records in this point, not demo tapes. Were you signed up for this label, or is this off your own bat?
Well, the stuff our own one. The first one was Selassie.
The first one was off our own backs, but that one we signed up for.
Yeah,
White Boy.
Yeah.
Wax, yeah.
And that was called White Boy?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What sort of gigs have you done then?
We've done all sorts. We've done colleges, discos, clubs, nightclubs, social clubs.
Conservatives, Labour, all sorts.
All different types of, all walk of life, students, grannies, young kids.
Rock clubs.
It's very much a regular gigging band then?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We got plenty of work, never short of work.
Mm.
But as you said before, like, we never had the opportunity to play in Bristol, type of thing. You know.
Why is that? I mean, have you not tried?
Well, we came for an audition down here one time, but we never heard anything from it, like.
Mm.
That was about 2 years ago, that was. You know.
It's about time that tried again, isn't it, really?
Yeah.
Who have you played with? Because obviously you must have done some supporting gigs as well in that time.
Yeah, we've done a couple.
One for Aswad. That was back last year in the summer.
In the top rank.
In the top rank. That went down quite well. And we did one for racing cars recently. That was in the Students' Union in Cardiff.
Racing cars still together?
Yes, they're actually still. I think they just scraped them together, I think, for that one. Yeah. That was last year, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That went down quite well, though.
Yeah, I remember them. They played quite regularly in Bristol in the early days. Haven't they all gone off sort of being studio workers now, in
I think they're slightly different from the racing cars. I had the single out. They don't. They shoot horses, don't they?
Mm.
They're more into rock then.
Yeah.
On the vocal side. So.
You're actually putting some tracks down at the moment for an album.
Yeah.
Well, we hope to have it on that soon. Yeah.
Yeah.
Writing all our own material and.
This is a studio in Cardiff, isn't it?
Yeah.
Where you're pointing that?
It's just opened just now. It's not too long open.
It's a new studio?
Yeah. 24 tracks.
Oh, 24 tracks?
Yeah.
What's it like?
It was nice, wasn't it? It's
beautiful.
for the music
quite
factory.
A good sound, yeah.
An expensive item, though, hiring a studio of that sort of calibre.
Well, if you want quality, you got to pay the money for it, you see.
That's why we're doing a lot of gigs, see,
The money you get from the gigs, you put it back into...
most of it goes back into the band.
You see.
Mm. How expensive do you think it will be to bring out an album? Have you actually worked it out?
We haven't got it monetary means yet, I don't think, but I think it'll be worth it in the long run. Because we've had tracks, we've been doing our own songs now for 2-3 years now, so it's best to get them down, I think, so people would recognise, they'll sort of hear the band more if they got something to work on. If they've got an LP, they know you've got an LP, or they think, oh, they must be a big band, we haven't heard of them, sort of. But I think we get more recognition if they know you've got an album out,
Certainly adds to
more
stature,
prestige,
doesn't it? Yeah. Interest, too, from ATV Music and EMI Records, is that right?
Yeah.
That's right.
What happened? Did someone come popping out of the woodwork at a concert and say, hey, I like it?
No, our manager, come across that. He does all that type of work.
Well, he sent off Selassie to him, and they liked it. So they asked if we got any other work. So we're going to send off White Boy and we see what they got to say about that one, because that's our latest new 45 out now.
Well, that's the main reason why that we went in the studio, to get some more tracks down. Because we don't only do reggae, we also do funk, soul, disco,
Yeah,
different types.
Splendid. Right, I think we ought to hear this. So, Selassie High was your first single.
Yes.
Yeah, that's done by the group.
Self-promoted.
Did you sell many copies?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's quite,
had a-
it went done quite well in Cardiff, yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
we cut 1,000 and we got about 100 left now. And that's within 6 months, that is.
So we use them sort of more or less like promotional records. Like if we play a gig, then we sell them after, so people have something to remember the band by.
That's right. Yeah, yeah. Where are you playing next? Do you know?
I can't remember. I think it's a
um,
local gig, most probably somewhere in.
I think it's Lloyd's myself. Lloyd's on a Thursday.
Which is in
That's,
in
that
Cardiff,
is
yeah.
like a disco.
Disco,
Yeah.
late night, yeah.
a regular one for you.
Mm.
Splendid. Okay, well, this is Denym with a Y, must mention that. The family affair, and one of their first own single, which was called Selassie High.